Welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is amla ki chutney or amla ki achar. I was too young. I used to stay in a city called Bokaro Steel City, which is in Jharkhand. The neighbor auntie used to make this chutney, and me and my mom we have taken this recipe from her long back. So I'm just sharing it today. So the ingredients are 20 to 25 boiled amla, coriander leaves, green chili as per your taste, 3 to 4 tablespoon powdered sugar, 2 teaspoon mustard seeds, 2 to 3 tablespoon mustard oil, salt to taste, and haldi 1 teaspoon. As you can see, the amla has been boiled to 5 whistles so that we can easily peel the seeds out of the amla. And here if you see, I'm peeling out all the seeds from the amla, and then later on this can be smashed with my hand itself. I would recommend don't use smasher to smash it because we need it coarsely. It will not be smashed finely, but you can use it if required little bit, but keep the smashed amla, mostly the coarse one, not the fine one. So now you can see we started smashing it with our hand. So we will smash it coarsely one by one, and then make it a coarse paste of this amla to make a for the chutney. As you have seen in the ingredients, we had coriander leaves, garlic cloves, chili, and haldi and salt. We mix all of them in the grinder and make a fine paste green chutney, and these green chutney we will add it to boiled amla. So now you can see the green chutney is getting mixed in the amla. We'll put spoon by spoon, and we are going to phase by phase we are going to mix this green chutney in the amla. Yes, green chili I have put a little less because I have a kid at home. He also likes this chutney, so I put just 2-3 chili. You have bigger kids, elder kids, then you can have more green chili. So this green chutney is being mixed well with this amla, smashed amla. So we will add the remaining ingredients, which is 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Add it well, taste little bit to see the taste is fine or not. I have tasted and I found the taste is okay. If you feel as per your taste it is not coming that well, you can add few more powdered sugar to it to make a better taste. Mix it well so that the sugar mix with the whole boiled amla and the chutney proper. As you can see, the sugar has been mixed well with the paste. Now we are adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. Mix it well and taste it again so that it is apt to your taste. Every house has its own taste, so you can add more mustard oil accordingly, and taste it before adding more. So now I am mixing it properly so that the green chutney, the smashed boiled amla, even the sugar, and now the mustard oil is mixed properly before I store it in a glass jar. If you see, I am adding more mustard oil because after tasting it I found that it needed more taste of mustard seeds to it. So tada, my chutney is ready and my jar is also ready. So I will put all this chutney inside the jar and keep it in the refrigerator. Don't freeze it, just keep it in the normal refrigerator. My mother, she used to put it in the sun for 10 to 15 days. You also can do it. but I would recommend it's best to keep it in the fridge because sometimes the sun is not that proper. And then you can have it for 1 to 2 months. I already have a jar inside my fridge, and this is the second one which is ready. As you know, amla is an excellent source of vitamin C. Hence, it helps boost your immunity, metabolism, and prevents viral and bacterial ailments, including cold and cough. So, amla has a season in India from October to April. You still have time. You can go and buy this amla and make this chutney and give to your family while eating lunch, dinner with chapati and rice. And during this pandemic situation, this will help to increase the immunity among kids and also among adults. So till then, if you like my video, comment, share and like the video.